Hi guys, we went to Costco today and picked up a rotisserie chicken. And how much did we pay for?
Only $5.
Only $5. Can you believe that for a big Kirkland bird with a plumpy and juicy? Take it out of the bag and see. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. The juice is falling down. Let's get rid of this bag. Yeah. Look at this beautiful rotisserie chicken right here. It is like feast time. This is our meal for both of us, for me and my wife. We always do this when we go to Costco to buy a rotisserie chicken. Reason is because how come we don't go to like other American grocery store to eat this? How come we don't buy their stuff? Why is it
Actually,
Costco?
I've tried Smith's
Hmm.
and Lucky's. I do like Lucky's, but then rotisserie chicken, I think Costco chicken is the best. That's why I like their chicken. And besides, their chicken is much bigger and cheap.
Well, it is cheap, but beside the point, I think that just the Costco rotisserie chicken, they just cook it right. I don't know what it is.
Tender,
Tender,
moisture.
very moist. So it's not really dry taste
Yeah.
on that. And so every time you take it out of the bag, you can literally see the juice falling down on
Yeah.
that. While we're eating chicken right here, I'm going to show you the sauce I made for it, and we're going to do it right now together to make the sauce. And the sauce is which I cannot really pronounce it.
Jaew.
Jaew. It's a Jaew,
Yeah.
and it's a Thai dipping sauce. And this one goes with not necessarily this chicken. It's also good with like a leftover pork or shrimp or whatever you have left over, and use it as a dipping sauce. It's excellento on that. And also we can also talk about the Thai dipping sauce that we're all familiar with, because we all know about the egg roll, the fried egg rolls, and this is dipping sauce, and it's excellento and taste on that one right now. And so come join with me and with us, and let's go ahead and make the Thai dipping sauce here. And then this one we don't have to make because I'm doing a little bit of cheating right here, so we get to skip on that. So why don't we go ahead and make this dipping sauce, and then come to this table and start partake of this. All right, guys. So I'm making a rice right here that has been put in a pan and get roasted right here. So this is a complete done right here. Looking for dark texture. And so after these things cool down, I'm going to put in a grinder and grind it down to the powder style. I am going to make a Thai dipping sauce, and it's spelled Jaew. And I'm not sure how to quite pronounce that. But today I'm using this cane sugar right here. And so it broke down the powder like this. So I'm going to use that. And I guess if you guys don't have that, you could use a brown sugar as well. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon and a half. Is what I'm going to put in that. I also going to put a fish sauce of 1 tablespoon, and here's 1 tablespoon. Okay, that's about 1 tablespoon right there. And then I am going to go ahead and mix this really well until the sugar cane is nicely dissolved. And now I'm going to go ahead and add shallot, but I do not have a shallot at this moment. So I am cheating, and hopefully it comes out the same result. I am adding the white onions, just a little bit. Okay. Add 1 tablespoon of roasted rice powder. Add this one right to that. And then I am also going to add let's see, Thai chili powder that I toasted already earlier. And I'm only going to add a little bit of this because this thing is spicy as heck, so I'm just going to add that much. And then I also going to add about a tablespoon of a mint, or you can add cilantro if you like. Okay, there's that. And then I'm going to mix it really, really well. Okay, looks like it's pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Whoa, really strong. I love it. It's really good. And I forgot the one main ingredient is the lime right here, and that calls for 1 tablespoon. So let's go ahead and add that to it. Okay, so sometimes my squeezing doesn't quite work, so I'll just have to use a spoon and get some more juice out. I have to be honest with you. Okay, so what is the food that I am so lazy about?
Something that you have to pick out.
Yeah,
Or mix bibimbap.
bibimbap.
He will not eat bibimbap if I don't mix it for him.
And so I hate fried chicken. I love eating it, but there's a skin, there's a bone I have to mess with and stuff. And I don't like my fingers to be gooey and sticky. So I use a napkin, I wrap around the bone part, and then I grab it and I eat it that way. And I am so lazy.
No, you're not.
No? On eating way?
I think we can get lazy in certain way.
Mm-hmm.
You are very diligent at working hard.
Mm-hmm.
Me, I'm lazy, in certain things. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So tell me, guys, and if you guys want to leave a comment, what is the food you guys eat that you're so lazy about that you don't want to do? You just make somebody else do it for
And then
you.
just eat.
Just eat.
Or just feed it to you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And so, yeah, tell me about it and see. I would love to hear what you guys' comments are all about on that. But what do you think about this chicken, though?
Very moist, juicy, and
It's really, really soft.
yes.
And I can squeeze it together and still just the moisture is coming out of there. It means it's like really tender. It's just, there's no dry part at all.
I like it.
Yeah, I do too. On that.
That's why we go to Costco and buy chicken.
Let's try with this one. Oh my gosh.
You know what? We love your chicken noodles. You should show how to make chicken noodle soup with the chicken.
Oh yeah, that's a very, very good idea. In fact, I would do that. While we were digging into it, doing a finger food here, that we won't be able to completely finish it all. It's gonna be. Do you think you can be able to finish all this?
No, it'll take me a week.
It would take you a week.
If I eat later, if I eat a lot, maybe 2 days.
Well, so for sure, I can guarantee you guys that this chicken would have a leftover. So the next segment I'm going to do is with this leftover chicken, I am going to make a soup out of it, but not ordinary American way of a soup, chicken soup. I'm going to turn it into more of Oriental style flavor of a soup for it. And you guys are curious about it? Well, you guys had to be in tune to watch for it, because after this, I'm gonna upload the what should I call the name of it for the soup?
How about chicken noodle soup? Costco chicken noodle soup?
Chicken noodle? Do you want the noodle in there? Do you want rice in there, or what?
Just do it the way you do it, but people can put noodle in there if they want to.
That's true. Yeah, if you like the rice in there, fine. If you like noodles or pinto beans, kidney beans, you know what? So this recipe that I'm going to show to you for next segment, you don't have to buy things on purpose. It's just basically whatever you have at home, and put it together and turn it into Oriental chicken soup with leftover of a Costco Rotisserie Chicken. Right?
When I cook, I have to have everything, but when he opens the fridge, he will look at it and then think, oh, I can make this. And then he just creates meal. So he's amazing.
Yeah, that's very, very true, guys. I can look it up in the refrigerator and pantry and go, look at the pantry, and I can give you 5 menus for it. You guys can pick which one you want. Yeah, the problem is she is so spoiled of that. So she doesn't say thank you. Can you say thank you to me? Okay, that's better. So what do you think about this sauce though?
I like it.
Is
I was
it really
kind of
tangy?
worried, but no. It's good. It's not
good?
too strong, so
Yeah.
it's just right.
Yeah.
It tastes. It tastes like it's made for me.
You would say that this sauce is more of a tangy, sweet, spice, and minty.
I mean, there's a pepper, but it's not spicy.
Yeah, I didn't put a whole lot.
That's why. Yeah.
I didn't put a whole lot of Thai chili pepper in there so much because the one I have is very, very potent. And if you put too much, guess what? Your lips and your stomach, everything is gonna be on fire. And then other end, it's gonna be so spicy that you're gonna go visit to the bathroom so much. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and I see you guys next time. See you later. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
And wow, that looks really, really good. This and
Sorry.
and that's a blooper.